Good morning, room 32. I'm going to show you how to use virtual classroom, kind of give you a overview and a walkthrough on how this can be a great resource for you to be able to access um, different portions of and links of the virtual classroom. So first off, I'd like to start with showing you that these icons up here on the bookshelf are all hyperlinked, okay? So first of all, I am going to show you that we have Think Central here. This link still needs to be fixed so that it is linked to the student login and not the teacher login. So I will be fixing that. Epic. I like to show you Epic. Epic is a place where you can access a library of digital books that I will put there available for you. This is the code that you will use to get in. Now, you can also notice that code is right here below the word Epic. So you can use that code the first time, and then after you use that code, you will automatically see it there. By clicking on that code, what will happen is it will bring you into the classroom. Let's use Abdul Rahman's account just for a moment for an example. So if I click on Abdul Rahman, it will automatically pop up a message that, earlier it did. If I go to my library, um, last time it gave me a pop-up message, so I guess not quite what I was thinking. If I go to here and this didn't quite pop up. There's a book that I assigned to you, and earlier when I was practicing with this, that came up automatically. And I'm not quite certain as to why it didn't this time, but I will double check into this. Maybe it comes up on the first time, but you should be able to see what options you have. So for you, there's a list of books you can select from. There should be an option here, read to me. So there's books that you can have read to you if you so desire. And so that's an option. There's audiobooks over here. And those are ones you can check out and look at. There's also videos that you can watch as well. Okay. So take a look at this. We'll talk more about it in the upcoming days and weeks, but I just wanted to show that to you. Now, also, you'll notice that we have Prodigy. Okay, when you click on Prodigy, go to login and then put in your username and password to get into your account. Next, you can also go to Rapid Identity by clicking here, put in your username, and then go and then put in your password, and that will take you to Rapid Identity. Class Dojo is your place for accessing our Class Dojo. You can choose Login, which will normally appear here, and then you click on Student to log into your own account, or you click on Parent, and your parent can log into that account. All right. Now, also, you'll notice there's the Zoom little logo here in this laptop screen. This is the hyperlink that will take you right to our Zoom call each day. All right. Now, also, if you click on this Zoom schedule, it's a hyperlink as well. That will do the exact same thing as this. I just put it in two spots. This is just a reminder about our Zoom schedule for our academic support as well as social. Now, you'll notice it says Monday through Thursday. That's going to be the reading, the math, and the writing. On Friday, we'll include the social as well, but we won't do the others, just to give you guys a little bit of a break. Okay. The lesson plan and resources. When you click on here, you can see everything that is needed for week 6. This is the same stuff I upload on Google Classroom, but just a quick, easy way for you to find all of it in one place. And then the other hyperlink is your Reading Adventure magazine. If you want to go straight to that, you can just click here and it will bring you right to our Reading Adventures magazine. And you can go ahead and access that for our week's reading assignments. All right. So it's all right there. You're going to scroll to go down to the next page. All right. So that's just a little bit of an overview of what I've worked on so far for our virtual classroom. As I learn more, I will share more. But I definitely wanted you to get an idea of kind of how it works and how it can be useful to you to access everything kind of in one place. All right, guys, thanks and enjoy this video.